Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 15th of December and I will be analyzing Nifty. First, see the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on the suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So Nifty 50. I have been analyzing Nifty 50 chart as well as Bank Nifty and others from last few months, and I have told you that I am bullish on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. That means that whenever these downfalls came, that they were the reasons, they were the places where I will not take a trade. I will be patient and I will look for again bullish signal and then I will go long. Now, the reason I explained in my earlier videos was that this is the third of the third wave, which is notoriously known for its steep up move, and that's what we see here, right? If you see this move, now this move, if you were long here, just see, if you were long here, then this move is steep enough to tell you what third wave can do. Now, if you see only this part of this chart, then somebody might say that okay, this is a down move. Agreed, this is, if you see this context, this part, then yes, and according to Dow's theory also, since this is making a lower high and a lower bottom, this is a down move. Agreed. But then if you are in a big uptrend, uh, if you see the weekly chart, if you see the weekly chart here, you will not see the weakness, but if you see a daily chart, you will see some good down moves, and that's what I want to take my trade, which aligns in the same direction of the long-term trade, and that's the reason I was prohibiting myself from taking short trades on this. So for me, if I draw a trend line here, let's say here, so I'm drawing a trend line by joining this line and this point, and I see here it goes like, oh, so this should be a bit down. Yeah, so for me, if I'm long here after this move, this was the reason that I will take profit. I will not go short again. I don't want to catch all the moves, and that's the reason, because you never know that how deep it is going to go. But then once it has taken a support, then you know that it will again go and touch the upper side. So that was one of the reason why I have been taking only long trends. And as I was on my vacation, I was taking again, I have shown you the screenshots where I was taking trades on the long side, and I made some money, some good money there. So here, if you see here also, I took the long trade, and here I carried till this level, took the profit, and then I have been waiting again. I at this place took a long trade, and probably as we see that SGX Nifty is also up, then probably we will see some good up move, some gap up, and then again we will have some good profit. So apart from that, if you see, we have Gujarat elections, and it's really impossible that Congress is going to win in Gujarat. If it were some other state, I mean, you can even think of that, but then uh, in Gujarat, Congress winning is really impossible, and after that, uh, the exit polls and whatever be the outcome, we know that BJP is going to win. So that's the thing, and we have a very positive news coming that BJP is going to come again in Gujarat, and we have the chart saying that okay, this is going to go in the up direction. Then Definitely for me, there is no reason to go short. I just need to find the right opportunity to go long. And this is what is very important in trading, guys, patience. I didn't take a single trade here. I took a trade here, to just to spot the right position. You take the trade and then you see that, okay, this patience has worked out and you are going to reap the benefit. So that's what the trading is all about. And if you see this part, you can say that this is, yes, and downtrend, but then another way of seeing it is, this is a pole and this is a flag, and I was waiting for a flag breakout, and possibly we might see that coming today. And the labels, if I discuss, that would be, this is something I expect that if we go above 370, then we will have some very good move up here. 370 will be my first target for today, and after that it will be 450 around. So if we have a good gap up, so currently we might open above 300. Then the next level which I am seeing that it will cross, which is important, is 370. And once 370 is crossed, then we will have 440, as 450 is the target. And let's see if that also we are able to cover today, or maybe on Monday when we have the actual result of Gujarat election. So Monday and today are very important, and we should definitely go long for that. And one very important thing, that currently the premium of the options are high because of high volatility. If you see India VIX chart, it is high, it is above 16, I guess, if the last time I checked it. So that's why another way of earning money, if you have some amount there, you can do is uh, short PE, but again that will have a very limited profit. But that is one of the way when the premium is high and you don't want to take a risk. Because when I was on vacation, I was not able to monitor my trades well. I was going to temples where before entering you have to submit or deposit your mobile, and also I was not able to monitor my trades for a long time. You have to stand in queues, and also what I did is, I was knowing that it is not going down and the volatility is high. India VIX is high, so the premium was high. So what I did is I shorted PEs of, because if in the WhatsApp chat also I showed you on the screenshot that though I was having some C's also, but then I had some good amount of PE short also, because they were low listed. I was knowing that Nifty is not going to break 10,000. It was clear from the charts, so that's why I was shorting 10,000 P's also, because for me it was a low risk trade. And VIX is high, so the premium was high. So that is one way of looking at it. So that's it for now. I hope that if you are long on Nifty and Bank Nifty, you will reap some good profits. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.